You've seen countless QR codes before, but have you ever seen one that includes a face? That simple addition changes how people notice it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a QR code that includes a face, professionally, cleanly, and in under 2 minutes. Both codes work the same way. The difference is visibility. A face-based QR code instantly stands out because it's unique.
So let's look at why that matters and how you can make one yourself. Our eyes are built to notice things that break visual patterns. When every QR code looks identical, one that contains a face immediately captures attention. It's still a standard QR code, linking to your website, digital card, or business page, but the embedded image makes it recognizable and hard to overlook. Let's make one together so you can see how straightforward it is. Let's head over to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down a little and click Create Your QR Code. Now you'll see two options: create the QR code manually or use the design assistant. We'll go with the design assistant. Once you click it, you'll be asked to upload an image. This is where you can upload the face you want to appear inside your QR code. After uploading, simply resize or adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. Then click Apply Changes. In just a few seconds, you'll see 4 to 6 different QR code options generated for you. Pick the one that stands out the most to you. From here, you can customize the look even further. Change the pattern shape, the corner style, or even the frame design to match your brand or aesthetic. You can also choose whether you want your logo to appear in the center or to be embedded directly within the QR code itself. Once everything looks perfect, enter the URL you want your QR code to link to and click Download QR Code. Now, let's test it out. And there you go. It's working perfectly. Here's why adding a face to your QR code can be useful in professional settings. Reason 1. Visual differentiation. A face-based QR code stands out in a stack of materials. It's a quick visual cue that draws the eye. Reason 2. Brand recognition. It helps associate a person or a team with a product or service. When clients see the same image across materials, they recall it faster. Reason 3. Professional detailing. It shows design consistency. Instead of a plain technical code, you have something clearly customized for your brand. Reason 4. Efficiency in use. Scans increase simply because the code is easier to notice. Distinct design equals higher visibility, and that means more engagement. Now that you know how to make one, let's look at where these face QR codes can actually be used. Use 1. Employee ID cards. Each staff badge can have the employee's photo inside the QR. It's quick for verification and looks cleaner than text labels. Use 2. Product packaging. Add the founder's or specialist photo in the QR. When scanned, it links to product info, a quality guarantee, or a message from the team. Use 3. Business cards. Your photo within the QR links to your contact details or company profile. It's simple, memorable, and professional. Use 4. Event badges. At conferences, face QR badges simplify introductions. You can see who the card belongs to before scanning. These small refinements make brand materials more distinctive and practical. At the end of the day, it's still a QR code, but one designed to be noticed. You're not altering how it works, you're improving how effectively it captures attention. Whether you use them on packaging, IDs, or printed media, face-based QR codes set your materials apart through clarity and design. They stand out. They reinforce brand identity. They increase engagement. In a world full of identical QR codes, the one that looks distinct is the one that gets scanned. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical guides on improving your business communication and design workflow.